Investing money in cryptocurrency projects can be rewarding but risky. So I have come up with 7 important tips on how to invest in new crypto projects. So hello and welcome to Crypto World Tour with Vijay. DYOR, do your own research. It is important to do extensive research about the project before deciding whether it is safe to invest or not. Examining the project roadmap and white paper is very important to understand the project technology and how that particular project works. Additionally, you need to evaluate the project team and audit reports. Competitor research. In order to identify the strengths and weakness of a new crypto project, it is important to try to find and compare the project's competitors. By doing this, you can discover the benefits of the project you are going to be invest on. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your holdings is an important and smart move. Instead of investing in just one crypto project, you should need to diversify your holdings by investing in different cryptocurrency projects. Use caution when investing in ICOs. Initial coin offerings can be a great way to get involved in a new cryptocurrency project, but there have also been incidents of many ICO scams. So make sure to do your own research before you go ahead with it, and only invest in ICOs that have a solid track records and reliable team behind them. Keep an eye on regulations. Cryptocurrency regulation is still evolving, so it is important to monitor changes in the regulation that may affect the project you are investing in. Have a long-term perspective. Investing in a cryptocurrencies can be highly speculative, so it is important to have a long-term view. Avoid getting distracted by short-term market volatility and try to stick to your investment for a long term. Understand the risks. The cryptocurrency market is quite volatile and there are additional risks while investing in a new project. It is crucial to realize that you might lose all of your investment, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Hope you find this journey interesting and thank you for watching. Keep in touch for updates, and if you have any question, I'll be happy to answer. Thank you and see you soon, guys.